Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving from Bogwalk to Linstead. So we are driving out of Bogwalk now and heading towards Linstead. And we are driving through the parish of St. Catherine in Jamaica. So when leaving from Kingston to get to the north coast, which is like Ocho Rios, Falmouth, the north coast, this is the main route you would take unless you're using the highway. But the highway is a toll road, so you have to pay to use that highway. So this is the main road that you would take. So you would drive out of Kingston, go through Spanish Town, go through Angels, go through the Bogwalk Gorge, come out here in Bogwalk, head towards Linstead, go into Yuaton, go over the famous Mount Russell, and go through Monique, then Fern Gully, and then enter Ocho Rios. That was the route before the highway was built. And this road is used quite heavily, quite a lot, because, as we said, the highway is a toll road, so persons still use this road. Not all the highways in Jamaica are toll roads. The Northern Coastal Highway is not a toll road, and the Southern Coastal Highway that's being built is not a toll road. Actually, the only toll roads in Jamaica are the Highway 2000 roads, which is from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and that leg of the highway is called the Edward Seaga Highway, and the road from Kingston to Montego Bay, which is called the PJ Patterson Highway, or the east-west leg of Highway 2000. Those are the only toll roads in Jamaica. And the reason why they're toll roads is because of the arrangement that was made when they were being built. Foreign companies built them and they put up the money, or a joint venture agreement, but though the toll is to be used to pay back for the building of the road. So once the east-west leg of the Highway 2000 is a 35-year concession, so in 35 years that road will belong to the Jamaican government. And the Edward Seaga Highway, which is the north-south leg of Highway 2000, is a 50-year concession. So if you notice, there are a lot of tire shops on this road. It's a very busy road, and with the condition of the road, sometimes you're going to have tire problems. So we're heading towards Linstead now. And you can see that there is a lot of space on the left and the right of this road. That's because this road was they left the space so that this road could be converted into 4 lanes if necessary. And the Northern Coastal Highway that runs from Port Antonio to Negril, it's 2 lanes like this, but it's also going to be from the Montego Bay to Ocho Rios section is going to be converted to 4 lanes. So Bogwalk is mostly, it's famous for its citrus, its oranges, and you have other factories there, but it's most famous for the citrus. Linstead now, it's a main town, it's larger than Bogwalk. Outside of Spanish Town, Linstead is the largest town on this route towards Ocho Rios. Obviously Ocho Rios is a large town, so is Spanish Town, but when you're driving on this route, then you have Linstead, very large town. It actually has railway lines running to it. It has a lot of factories, but it's also very close to Yuaton, and Yuaton has the bauxite plant. So you find that because Linstead is more developed, it has more infrastructure like a courthouse. It has a lot of government agencies. You find that more persons live in Linstead and then go to Bogwalk to work or go to Ewaton to work. So Linstead is a major town in Jamaica. We're not going to drive through Linstead today because we are actually heading towards Montego Bay. But we have other videos up of driving through the actual town of Linstead. And you can also get back on the highway from Linstead. There's an entrance or exit depending on the direction you're going. So coming up on the right now is where you would go to access the highway. As we said, we're just going to head straight. We have plenty of videos up of driving on the highway. So we turn left here, and that's main route into Linstead, the actual town itself. We are just on the outskirts driving through, but as you can see, it's a very developed area. A lot of bars, shops. But the town of Linstead itself is far more developed. A lot of infrastructure. When I say infrastructure, I mean like government infrastructure, those kind of things. You're going to find banks, courthouse, those kind of infrastructure. Also a lot of schools. There's a train line there's a train station that trains run through Linstead. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.